Hi class, welcome to week 2 in our lifespan class. I wanted to post this announcement to just give a general overview of the upcoming week and what to expect. So let's look at week 2. We are covering quite a bit, chapters 5 through 9 in the McGoldrick text, and you will see this the general topics up here in regards to social class, poverty, sexuality, sexual orientation, spirituality, and the family life cycle, as well as implications for family therapy, and then the different stages with early childhood, looking at middle childhood and adolescence. So we are covering a whole bunch this week. One of the little reminders up here at the top in regards to the Welcome to Week 2 says the lifespan course paper is due by midnight of week 7. So you're going to see this throughout the course to help you to remind you to remember that, hey, I have this coming up and maybe this is something that I want to work on ahead of time so when week 7 gets here that you're not overwhelmed. And then you'll see the vignette study. To find the vignette study on Lewis, you click in the readings folder and you'll scroll down and there it is. So click on the Lewis file and you'll get a brief description of the case. Now, in order to find out what I want for you to submit to this, you go to the Course Information tab, and at the very bottom, you'll see different questions for the practice vignettes and what I want you to think through. So, as I've noticed before, these vignettes are not graded. However, this will help me get an idea as to where you're at in your thought processes with the developmental strategies, treatment, and whatnot. So by completing these, it will really be an excellent opportunity for you to apply some of the theories and some of the developmental models that you are seeing throughout these chapters. So I highly encourage you to do this. As it states here, there's no points for doing so, but do it. I do want to let you know that, however, if you do a really good job or if you're on the bubble at the end of the class period, this will be the one thing that will help pull you over. So you are expected to do these vignettes. So once again, the questions for the vignettes are located on course information. The vignettes itself are located on each week. So you have the readings, the vignette, think about the life course paper. There is a video clip here about little Albert, so watch that. And then the only other main thing that's graded this week is the discussion forums. With that being said, however, if you look at week 3, you will also notice that there's the personality portrait assessment that is due that week. So again, I think it's just always great to think ahead. I talked about how the one assignment was due week 7. This one's due week 3. So it's a good idea to think, okay, maybe if I have a little extra time here in week 2, I want to look at this so I can start taking a bite at this as well. But the only main things that I want you to do for this week that are required are the readings, the vignette, and the discussion board. So besides that, I plan to grade the discussion boards from last week on Monday and Tuesday. I hope to have them finished up by Tuesday. I think those are the main things. I look forward to continuing to hear your thoughts and your insights throughout this week. If you haven't posted your welcome video, please do so. It really helps to connect with one another. And as always, if you have any sort of questions, please contact me or write an email or post on the discussion board where there's the questions form, okay? Thank you, and I hope you had a great holiday weekend.